He was the fortress, the wall, the unbreakable will of the Emperor. He was Rogaldor. He didn't command legions to conquer, he commanded them to endure. And in the end, it was endurance that mattered most. Rogaldorn, primarch of the Imperial Fists, was discovered on the icy world of Inuit, raised by a noble clan in the harsh void. Even as a child, he showed unmatched discipline and strategic genius. When the Emperor found him, Dorn didn't kneel. He offered the keys to an entire Star Fortress fleet. Loyalty was never in question. Unlike some other brothers, Dorn didn't seek glory. He sought unity through duty. Dorn led the Imperial Fist across the stars, masters of defense, siegecraft, and discipline. He was cold, calculating, and utterly relentless in war. Where others broke, he built. His fleet became the Emperor's hammer, and his fortress, Terra's shield. He even designed the defenses of the Imperial powers itself, a task only Dorn could be trusted with. When Horus betrayed the Emperor and the Imperium, Dorn became Terra's last line of defense. He clashed with brothers he once loved, never wavering, never retreating. He fortified the Imperial powers during the siege of Terra, holding the line against the traitor legions until the final bloody stand. And when the Emperor fell, Dorn broke, not in fate, but in sorrow. After the war, Dorn led the Imperial Fist in a brutal conflict known as the Iron Cage, an apocalyptic trap set by Perturabo himself. It nearly destroyed his legion, but Dorn refused to back down until dragged out by the Ultramarines. Later, he vanished during a suicidal attack on a Chaos fleet. Only a hand was found. Some say he died with honor, others whisper that Dorn still lives, watching from the shadows. But his legacy lives on. Every fortress, every bastion, every wall in the Imperium echoes the name Rogaldorn. He was duty made flesh, the last wall. Dorn